Welcome to Enable Ireland's National Assistive Technology Training Service YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create accessible worksheets. One way of making a worksheet accessible is to put it in a PDF form. So a way of doing this here would be using Adobe Acrobat 2017, which I'm using here. So as an example here I have a worksheet here. Now it's just a quiz which did up in Microsoft Word, and I have spaces here for the missing words which the user has to complete, and that's a series of underscores there which I put in the Word document. So I'll close that there, and I will open that up in the Adobe Acrobat. And then from the Tools menu, if I go to Prepare Form, and as I've already opened it up, it sees my document there. Click Start here. So it just looks to save the document, so I'll save that on my desktop. And straight away it has put in form fields in the spaces that I had provided. So as well as that there, it does have options to put in radio button or checkboxes as well, and other form fields. So that's it. I can close that now, and yes, I better save that there. So this is the new document. So this will be is a PDF form. So in order to open this here, what we can do is use a free PDF viewer, or I'm going to use I'm going to open it in. I've just right clicked there on the document. I'm going to open with, and I'm going to use Microsoft Edge because it has a few nice features in this browser. So within Microsoft Edge you have the option of reading aloud, so I can actually read my document.
Word prediction is useful for those with spelling difficulties or slow. Autocorrect allows you to customize automatic
correction. So if I want to
correction.
fill in my words, I can just first of all click into the first form field which I see. And using the tab key I can jump to the next form field, etc. And so I can save that there here. So that should be saved with the answers which I've put. So just to check that there, you can see here it has saved the missing words which I've just inserted. So another option is, if you don't have a digital copy of the worksheet, you can scan it in using a connected scanner onto your PC. So I'll give you a sample of that there. So opening up Adobe Acrobat 2017, I'm going to select Tools again and Prepare Form, but this time I'm going to select Scan a Document and start to scan. I'm going to accept the default settings there and scan. So the Acrobat Pro has an OCR program built in, so this will try and capture the text from the image so that it will be readable, and it will also look for spaces and put form fields in the spaces. So you can see here it's quickly recognised where the spaces are, and it's put in form fields. So I can see from part of the document there, or the worksheet, a radio button would be suitable for this part of question 3. So I'm going to drag down a radio button to here, because it's an option where the user has to either agree or disagree with the statement. So I'll just save that there, and I'll save it on my desktop again. So again, I'll try and open that up in Microsoft Edge. So if I try the read aloud option on this here.
Savings. What are they, and why do we save? I textbook pp 50 to 55. 1. Explain saving. 2. Give 3 reasons why a
So it does
person
a
might
reasonable
save other
job
than receiving
of
interest.
recognising the
1, 2, 3.
the words. You can see I have options to put in my answers. I have the option there, it's a radio button, so it'll be one or the other. And I can save that there, like as before. So if I open that up again, we can see that my answer has been saved. So and again, I can actually tab through this here as well, and it'll jump from one option to another.